welcome to the final of our annual squishy competition. Hey, thank you. Yeah, thank you. In our grand final today is Fizzy and Phoebe.
Yes! I'm going to do an under-the-sea themed squishy. And I am going to do a rainbow themed squishy.
Looks like the game is on. Team 1 is Phoebe and Branch. Team 2 is Fizzy and Poppy.
Miss Hands, we're gonna need a hand.
Hi, Phoebe. Hi, Branch.
Hello, Miss Hands. Can you help us make squishies?
I sure can.
Let's do it.
Alrighty, let's start by putting our squishy maker together. We need to lock that in nice and tight. And take our squishy skin. Look how stretchy that is. Woo. Pop that in here. And pump out the air.
Can we add some blue in? Because it's the color of the sea. And me.
That's a good idea, Branch. Let's add some blue food coloring. I'm going to add 3 drops. Here we go. 1, 2, 3.
Can we add some gold glitter so it sparkles like the coral under the sea?
It's so gold and glittery. Let's add some in.
Don't forget, you'll be marked on your creativity.
Oh, we should add some mermaid confetti too.
We can do that. Here's our beautiful mermaid confetti. Let's add it in.
I found some sparkly seashells!
Oh, good find, Branch. They look awesome in your squishy. Let's put them in. 1, 2.
I love the idea of making a rainbow squishy.
The colors of the rainbow are so bright.
I love the idea of a rainbow. Let's start with the color of our squishy.
Yay, orange! I love orange!
I love orange too, Poppy. Let's add some in. I'm going to put 4 drops. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4.
And green glitter. Green is in the rainbow.
Oh, I love that, Fizzy. Can you name the colors of the rainbow?
Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet.
Good job, Fizzy.
Don't forget now, you'll be marked on theme.
Maybe we could add stars. Rainbows are in the sky after all.
Let's do it. Oh, but first, let me change day to night so I can catch some stars. Aren't they pretty? Let's add them to our squishy.
Can we add some flowers?
And some fluffy white clouds.
We sure can. Poppy's flowers and Fizzy's clouds.
I love it.
Can we show everyone?
Sure, I'll just turn the night sky back to day.
Okay, first category is theme.
We have Under the Sea and Rainbow.
Okay, I'm gonna award 1 point to Under the Sea! Yeah! Next is creativity, and that goes to Rainbow! Yeah! finally, squishability! And the winner of our squishy making competition is... Under the Sea!
Well done, everyone.
Well, I didn't win, but that's okay. It was really fun taking part. I love your squishy. It's really good.
Whoa, yeah, we won! Branch, it's important to be considerate of other people's feelings.
Oh, sorry.
Good work, everyone! And that brings us to the end of this year's Squishy Championships. See you next time!
Bye!
Bye.
Thanks for watching. We hope you all have a fizzy, fantastic day. We will see you next time.
All together now! Fizzy! Whizzy! Bo Busy Bo!